Meanwhile, Karnataka ASHA workers today are on an indefinite strike demanding their pending salaries, incentives and sick leaves which have been denied to them. My colleague Mahmoud Wadiullah brings us a special report where 42,000 ASHA workers are now protesting to get their monthly honorarium, apart from several other issues as well. Over to Vaji for this report.
Well, behind me is a sea of people in pink. These are ASHA workers who have come here to Freedom Park today to protest against pending dues that they've been waiting for from the government. Now, these people are from across the state, from 28 districts of Karnataka, from different parts of Karnataka, who have come here asking or demanding for their pending dues, which they have been waiting for the last 3 months. Now, these workers over here, as you can see, ma'am, idರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
ಆಶಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತೆಗೆ ಮಾಸಿಕ 15,000 ಗೌರವಧನ ನೀಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ರು.
Okay, so as you heard that they are here demanding for 15,000 rupees as compensation that they are waiting for. Now, and these ASHA workers are prominent people who are the link between the health ministry and the public. These are the people who bring awareness across various places within the city, within the state and at various districts. Here I have their leaders who will give us an idea of what they are here for and what is the protest all about. Ma'am, firstly, what is this entire protest? You have so many people who have come here protesting. First, tell us what is the strength and what have you come here for?
Actually, I represent ASHA accredited social health activist AIUTUC wing. I am a vice president of this organization. Now, presently here 42,000 ASHA workers are working throughout Karnataka. All are thronging here. They are coming here for the one purpose, for single reason. Since 8 years, this is our demand. Again, we are raising the same demand. That is, a state and the central government together, 15,000 rupees the government should give. And apart from that, the one-time retirement benefit, 5 lakhs rupees we are demanding. And the third point is, we don't have any sick leave, sir. Even on Sundays we are working. So they are highly exploited. Many are having cancer diseases and many are suffering with so many other diseases. But the government is least bothered to give them leave. And at the time of, they go for an operation, the next day they should come and work. These inhuman things are happening. So we are demanding the government at least 3 months of leave. Along with that, a fixed honorarium, whatever the state is giving, that should be given to them. And the other point is, we have a portal. Whatever work we do, we have to feed that to the portal, RCH portal. So through that we are getting the honorarium, incentive we are getting. But what is happening is, if I do a worth of 7,000 work, I am only getting 3,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees. Where are the rest amount going? I don't know. What are the technical issues? I don't know. This we have bringing to the notice of the government so many times. This is not for the first time we are coming. Since 8 years, this is the only demand we are raising. And the government recently the commissioner gave a statement saying that he gave an order saying that the ASHA workers are doing only 2 works. We are helping only 2 works. You know, the entire country is talking. These are the corona warriors and the health warriors. Even the WHO has given the global health leaders. That is the title the WHO has given. And our commissioner is talking that we only do 2 types of work. We help in that, only helping. And apart from that, if anybody goes to the movement, if some cause of nuisance, if the health, some emergencies come, you are the reason for that and you will be removed from the job. I say here, the government is responsible for this. Since 8 years, we are bringing to their notice and there is no solution. Suddenly, they gave a statement saying that these are simply going to the streets. I asked the government, are we mad to go to the street? Repeatedly on this issue, why we are coming here? Are they responsible? Are they not responsible to answer these questions?